Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now we have to tap on date and time, and here we've got the options which are currently automatic. So first of all, we have to turn off this option, the second switcher, to be able to manually set the date. So let's tap on it and just by swiping pick the date you want to use, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, and you can set whichever time you want to, tap on OK. The time zone, just tap on it and you will be transferred to this full list of available time zones from which you can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can manage the dual clocks, which simply means that one clock will show you the time from your hometown and the second one from the place you're currently in. So it's quite useful whenever you're traveling, etc. And here you can decide whether you want to use the 24-hour format, just like now, or 12-hour format. So simply turn off this option. It's up to you. Of course, you can go back to all automatic options just by tapping on this switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.